Hello, my name is Aaron Butler. I committed to UCLA on a full ride scholarship for African American Studies. The only school I attended was Dominguez High School. I've been here all 4 years. The reason why I chose Dominguez is because at Dominguez, the teachers they want to see you succeed. They want to see you achieve more in life. When I was young, I needed extra help, like learning how to read and write. So that was probably one of my biggest academic challenges, learning how to just catch up. I got held back earlier in my childhood because I struggled with reading and writing. So overcoming that, my teachers who stuck with me and helped me out, extra tutoring and stuff like that, that's why, that's my academic challenges I faced personally. Mr. Morgan, freshman year coming into Dominguez High School, he believed in me. He said you could go to Ivy League schools. He showed me opportunities. He widened my perspective of my mindset. He showed me to have a growth mindset other than a closed mindset, and he just brought me into his circle. And Ms. Monte, of course, Ms. Monte, she honestly has been my backbone throughout my high school career. She, like I said before, people here at Dominguez want to see you succeed. I think Compton has a lot of resources. It's there if you want it, and that's where anywhere you go, despite any college or any high school, I feel like Compton, people don't believe Compton has a lot of resources. We have a lot of people, and we have a lot of connections to artists, athletes, entrepreneurs. The connections we have, people don't realize the resources and the amount of networking we have at Compton School District, and so that's definitely something. But the best part about attending Dominguez High School has to be my friends. Like coming from a Long Beach School District to Compton School District, meeting new friends, meeting new people, I think that has to be the best part, being different worlds. You get to make different connections and understand different stories. So, and then I do play sports. I play basketball. That's honestly one of my other favorite parts about coming here to Dominguez, just the legacy behind Dominguez basketball and the Dominguez basketball program. It's just honestly something I wanted to be a part of. So coming here, those were the two influences that made me want to come here. If I could go back in time and talk to my freshman self, I would tell my self that just believe in yourself, despite whatever is going your way, despite COVID, despite anything, just stick through it, keep your head down, keep doing what you're doing. You're gonna be great no matter where you go. Trust the process and have confidence in yourself. Despite the negative energy, people telling you what you should do, be confident and fear God, fear nobody else but God. That's what I tell my freshman self. I value my education because as Black people, we don't get a lot of opportunities. And so when we do get an opportunity and people do want to see you succeed, you should take full advantage of it. I value my education because I know how hard my mom worked. I know how hard my dad worked to put me in this situation. And so I'm always going to put my best foot forward and keep my head steady and push through. And so that's why I value my education.